Hello again, it's Greg Granger, the affiliate marketing gangsta, here with another internet marketing review, this time of Ashley Perry and Betty Pine's new product called Lucid. So I have a special back-end access to the product here of Lucid, and I'm going to show you quickly here just the front end of the product. Then I'm going to go in and I'm going to tell you what Lucid is all about, show you what bonuses you'll get if you choose to purchase from my link below or on the bonuses page, whichever one you've come from. And then I will show you the sales page. So I just ask you do me a quick favor, and if you like this content, thanks again for coming and watching my video. If you would kindly hit the like button, the thumbs up, and then if you want to see more content like this in the future, please hit the subscribe and hit the notification button. So this is the back end of Lucid here. So we're going to quickly go through the front end of Lucid here. So this is an introduction. This is Ashley Perry. He's actually one of my mentors. He's a great guy. I've talked to him several times over Facebook Messenger, because right now, due to COVID, he is stuck in a country not of his native land. I won't say where, but he is on, let's just say, a permanent holiday due to COVID-19. But he's having a fun time where he's at. So anyways, we're going to go into the contents of the course here. So Lucid, there's an introduction to Lucid. Then in module 1, they show you what hashtags are and how to use hashtags. Module 2 shows you how to put a link in your bio, the link tree structure, and using beacons. Module 3 is how to get free professional graphics and videos, and getting that off of Pixabay and Pexels. Module 4 is how to monetize your posts and also picking up offers off of ClickBay. Module 5 is using the CPA model, or cost per action, setting up your Max Bounty account, and then finding the right offers on Max Bounty. Module 6 is using the Google Calendar, and I find actually Google Calendar is an excellent way to organize your life. If you really want to bring things together, organize your life down to the day, even to the hour. The Google Calendar is totally free and it's an excellent tool. Module 7, now it goes into pre-post preparation, how to use Instagram to your advantage, posting to your Instagram feed, your Instagram story, Instagram Reels, and then a bit of a conclusion to the Instagram portion. Part 8 is how to use TikTok, and it shows you how to post from your desktop and your phone. And finally, in conclusion, it shows you how to scale everything up. Now, there's in the front end product, There's also a case study showing proof of the concepts taught in Lucid. And then you've got the various upgrades, which we're also going to cover later on in the video here today. So what is Lucid? Get ready to treat your customers what Lucid's one-of-a-kind method. They'll stand above the competition. This program showcases simple step-by-step tutorials on how to create lucrative campaigns with our copy and paste methods. Use our hacks for completely free professional content that is top-notch quality. Benefit from 100% free traffic sources, like I said before, like TikTok and Instagram. Take advantage of the 2 hottest platforms with exponential growth happening daily. Your customers will learn how to use completely free methods for getting recurring commissions time and time again. No need to ever get in front of the camera, no need to speak at all, or even write anything. Everything is done for you. Any beginner can have success using this method. This content will set you miles apart as we show you the best strategies from getting incredible sales with our copy and paste method. So, next we're going to go into the one-time offers, the OTOs. So the front end starts at $13.95 or $12.95, pardon me. The first OTO is the 10x income OTO at $37. And here it says, learn how to leverage your social media for free and bank commissions of up to $1,200 a pop. Case study is included, 100% proven, not just theory. Upsell 2 is a done for you. So you get a masterclass in email marketing, the lifeblood of any online business, plus a full professionally written follow-up sequence, copy and paste, and a Rolodex of the best converting offers to use with Lucid. Upsell 3 is limitless traffic, so you can take the traffic from our sales pages and redirect it to wherever you want, build your own audiences to retarget, and make big bucks in the process. And upsell 4 is the reseller rights, so you can resell Lucid as your own product and keep the commissions across the whole funnel. So right from the front end at $12.95 through to OTO 1, 2, 3, and 4, you'll be able to get 100% commissions. Now here's some of the key benefits you may be interested to get Lucid. The free traffic comes in on complete autopilot. Set it up once and continue getting traffic. Completely newbie friendly. It works in any niche. The easiest way to get traffic in 2021. Step-by-step training included. World-class support, and I can vouch for that. Like I said before, I know Ashley Perry personally, and the support he provides is definitely world-class, top-notch. And there is a 60-day money-back guarantee. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to review the bonuses that you'll get if you do choose to get Lucid from my link below. So bonus number 1 is a bonus tutorial. This is called Invisible. Bonus number 2 is another tutorial, build a website from scratch. Bonus number 3, shows you how to jumpstart your email marketing campaigns. Bonus number 4 is an actual product that was released on Warrior Plus earlier, and this is just for the first 48 hours only, so you have to pick up Lucid within the first 48 hours to get Aurora Pro. And bonus number 5, you get access to all the vendor bonuses. So Betty and Ashley are offering a bunch of their own vendor bonuses. And now what we're going to quickly do is go over the sales page. So what it says here, are you experiencing a traffic drought? Listen up. Watch how we tap into 1.7 billion potential buyers and get a tsunami of free traffic to multiple pre-approved offers that makes us $301 daily. 100% newbie friendly, no making videos, no paid ads. So we're going to go through the sales page here, and we've got a couple of testimonials here. One from Johnny Rose, and another one from Lou Hornberger. So if you want to listen to those, you'll be able to listen to those off of the my bonus page here. And there's Ashley himself in the glasses and the top hats. So again, there's more. It says here, when you solve your traffic problem, you can solve everything. I tend to agree there, because once you can solve traffic issues, then you do have the potential of getting traffic to your offers. And the nice thing about Lucid is it brings in traffic from TikTok and Instagram, which are both 100% free traffic sources. So what's the best part here? You can turn all that traffic into sales. And this is proof that the system actually works. So you can see one day they've made $550, another day $432, another one $302. Another day he's, I think, just starting out, only made $11.57, but some days you'll have up days, some days you'll have down days, but overall the system does work. And I totally 100% trust Ashley. Like I said, he is one of my mentors, and I know this method. He would not teach something that doesn't work. And again, well, they are using a few of the terms there to bring in people, like bring in a few, bring in the newbies. But, a lot of people are just starting out in internet marketing, and they need a little bit of a push to get free traffic. And again, here, getting traffic and profits are what lie in your future. So there's the product Lucid. And So what it does, basically, it shows you how to monetize all that traffic from Instagram and TikTok. And again, it's using a few of the terms there to bring in the newbies. You know, here, awesomeness and simplicity of Lucid. It's newbie friendly. It says you can work for anyone. And of course, it said they're one of a kind opportunity. Again, it's using a few of the terms there that will bring in newbies. I do admit, but like I said, this product is brought out by one of my mentors, and I totally 100% trust him to teach something that works. He never would teach something that does not work. So we're just going to quickly go through the rest of the sales page here. We're just about down to the bottom here. And there's an FAQ. So that's pretty much the end of the sales page. So like I said before, if this is something you think you'll benefit from with Lucid, you can buy from my link below. And like I said before, if I ask you do me a favor and click the like button. Thanks again for watching this video. And if you want to see more of content like this, click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Thanks for coming. Bye for now, and we'll see you in my next video.